Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the density of a binary tree in one traversal. First, let us take an example. In the first example, the height is 2 and size is 3. So, density will be equal to 3 by 2, which is 1.5. In the second example, the height is 3 and the size is also 3. So, the density will be equal to 1. Now, let us see the algorithm which will assist us in finding the density of a binary tree. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We call the height and size function with root node and 0 for size. So, node will point to 10 and size will be equal to 0. Now, we compute height of each subtree. So, we call left child of node recursively using a call stack. So, node will point to 20. Since node is not null, we pass the left child of 20, which is null. Now, since node is pointing to null, we return 0. Execution for node 20 is resumed. Now, we call the right child of 20, which is also null. So, again, node will point to null. Since node is null, we return 0. We continue execution for node 20 and now we increase size by 1. So, size will now be equal to 1. In the next step, we return the greater of L and R plus 1. Since both are equal, we return 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. We continue execution for node 10. Now, we pass the right child of 10, which is 30. Next, we pass the left child of t, which is null. Since node is pointing to null, we return 0. Execution for node 30 is resumed. We pass the right child of 30, which is null. Again, since node is pointing to null, we return 0. Next, we increment size. So, size will be equal to 2. We return the larger of R and L plus 1. So, we return 1. We continue execution for node 10 and increment size. So, size will now be equal to 3. Finally, we return larger of L and R. Since both are equal, we return 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 and which is also the height of this tree. Now, in the density function, variable height will be equal to 2 and size will be equal to 3. We return density by dividing size by height, which is equal to 1.5. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.